Hello, folks. We have production 2 underway. A couple of big jobs on this one. We have to record a song into Pro Tools and then start manipulating it with some EQ. Got to EQ some vocals as well. So let's jump right at it. Job number 1, we have to record a song into Pro Tools. That song is probably going to be on your phone or maybe on YouTube, maybe in iTunes on your computer. So if the song is on your phone, the job is easy. So we have a couple of these things. Let me just show you what it looks like. Here's something called a DI box, or a direct input box, made by, upside down, Radial Engineering, good Canadian company. And one side of it looks like that. We've got some inputs. So I've got a cable run into there. The other end of the cable looks like that. So we plug the phone into one side, and on the other side, we just plug from there out into our interface. So that seems pretty awesome. We just plug the phone into here, plug the interface into the other side, push play on your phone, and now push record on your DAW. Boom, Bob's your uncle. Got your song. But what if you don't have one of those? And let's be honest, not a lot of us do. So we want to do this another way. So how are we going to do it? Well, I've set up your workstations so that we have a little bit of a backdoor trick move. Let's jump at it. So it's going to start with us having YouTube ready with a song. Here's a song I've just found on YouTube.
Yeah, that's it.
Good enough. And I don't want to play too much of it so I get a copyright strike, but I'm going to open up QuickTime. So open up QuickTime Player, and up at File, hit New Recording Media, New Audio Recording, or Shift Command N. Well, that sounds familiar to all us Pro Tools users. Shift Command N will open up this little window. Where do I have my zoom in? There we go. Watch out for this little pull down, this little arrow, and on your side, you'll notice I've installed a plugin on the back end called Black Hole. And I've set up your computers so that we can hit internal Mac recording. As long as that's the input, when we push play here, this will move up and down here. But watch out. I really want you to watch out so that this meter does not hit the end. If that's hitting the end, you have to turn your video down. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit record. That looked like a fail. I'm going to bring back QuickTime Player. It's going to delete that thing. I don't know what I was doing, but I'm going to hit that again. Boom, something like that. There, now it's recording. And start playing. And you can see my recording has been going for a few seconds already. So a little bit of dead air at the beginning. Stop it there just for a sample, and I'm going to stop the file. Let's go to File on QuickTime and Save. This was CeeLo Green, so I'm just going to save this to my desktop as, well, who knows. I'm going to actually put this in production 2. I'm going to make a new folder called production 2. I'm going to save this song as green song. There we go. I'm going to get rid of all of that stuff for right now. And now let's open up a Pro Tools session. I'm going to create new. I'm going to put it in that same folder. So here is the production 2 is a commercial project, so I'm just going to call it a commercial. I'm going to prompt for location. Again, remember 48K, 24-bit, prompt for location. Where is this thing going? I am going into production 2, and we're just going to build it right inside there. Here's where we have to make sure that we have our process in place. So all those things we've practiced already. Let's let's file, import. That's not format. File, import, and where is this? Production 2. And here's our green song. Notice that it's not a WAV file like we're used to. It actually got saved as an M4A, still an audio file. So when we click on it, and yes, it populates this left-hand screen, but we have a convert button. So Pro Tools is going to automatically convert that thing to something meaningful for us, and we'll just let it do it. And it's going to put it into the session format that we just set up our session at, which is 48K and 24-bit. Hit done. Yes, we can say, where do we want that stuff? Let's go to the session format or the session files. I'm just going to say, put it in the audio files and build me a new track. Boom, there's our song. And if our song is in. How do we edit that? That's video number 2. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you later.